I'll try to link other things, alternatives, whatever I can find directly on this video. But this is Dee's. This is pretty interesting, actually. We're gonna go into this Dee's and see what is it info. Their bathroom area section. They have these rods here. These are really pretty cool. Great price too. Look at this, $7.99. That's cool. Like, it's $14.99. If you like this type of content, do definitely let me know. I'll do more of this type of stuff. It's a textured sheer window panels, $5.99. These are all like some window panels. $5.99. 84-inch. A set of 2 for $8.99. This is $12.99, all nice and silky like that. This comes with 4. It's like 2 panels and then 2 like drape type of things with it. This is a whole design. That's nice. That's what's up. Okay. These are a whole bunch of window panels. All of these are window panels. Wind chimes here. Welcome to our home. This wind chime is $8.99. This one has a rooster. That's cute. Let me know what type of format you prefer. Do you prefer the spread out? Or do you prefer when I'm more closer? When I'm closer, I don't really get everything all the way I'm supposed to. Let me know. Just let me know. Let me know. Trust in the Lord with all your heart. I love that. That is $6.99. That's very nice. Do they have any other ones back here? You can't really see it, but I'll just show you on the outside. That's pretty cool. Miracle Grow shears for $8.99. This kit is $7.99. You even have hose here. Not women, but it's $13.99. This is some Easter decor that they have here. Things that go like on your door. This bunny rabbit is super cute. For $10.99. Oh, $6.99. This is $8.99. I like this cross. That's beautiful. And this cross is $4.99. You better let the Lord be affordable. I know that's right. For the planting stuff, okay. The plastic one, this is $2.99. How big is this? It doesn't say. This wicker basket is pretty cool. It's a grow basket or what? It's a planter for $17.99. That's huge. That is $22.99. Oh, these are heavy and nice. $17.99. Garden fencing for $3.99. And I see that they have a white one here too. So they have this greenish color, black and white. A little rolling chair so you can sit on it on the floor and do your gardening. This is $5.99. More hose. This is $15.99. It's $11.99. That's cool. Got some reefs, floral reefs. I'm gonna put it back. It's $4.99. I like that. Some cool stuff. This 2-pack is catching my eye. $14.99. They have a little bit of furniture back here as well. Look at this. This is $79.99. A 2-drawer. This one right here. It's like an entertainment type of stand, and it has 2 cabinets at the bottom. These drawers right here as well. A nice little side table. That's pretty cool. I like that. And that's $34.99. This is pretty cool. $16.99. This is cute. And $10.99 for this. That's what's up. This is nice. Tall and long. 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5 tier for $39.99. A broom and a dustpan set. $6.99. They have some random food down here. 16-piece flatware set for $5.99. This one right here is $15.99. These tablespoons, $8.99. This is a 50-piece flatware set for $9.99. These are cute. 7-piece bamboo utility set for $5.99. This is from Chef Valley. It's $12.99. It's a set of 11 cutlery set with cutting board. Got some Paris Hilton, $9.99 for her cutlery set. I would get that. Because I love me some Paris Hilton. I really do. That's my girl. Oh, they have these things here as well. This is cute. I'm trying to get from up over here, though, to be honest with you. If you want to see, like, a part 2 or something, let me know. This is $8.99. And I'll definitely hit up more stuff. They got some decor. They have some beauty things, stuff like that. Let me know, though, if you want me to go through more of these things, because I totally can. I have no problem doing that. But at this very moment, I'm trying to shop for myself. Mama trying to shop, bruh. But yeah, if you enjoyed this video, you want to see more walkthroughs and things like that, definitely make sure you like this video. Comment, let me know where you want me to go next, because I got you. Thank you so much for watching. As always, God bless.